Grand Prix, the name for a new kind of Pontiac, highly personal and specially designed. The Grand Prix is just 4.5 feet from roofline to road. It's more civilized and comfortable than a sports car. With deep cradling bucket seats, 5 solid color interiors. The Grand Prix has rear deck styling all its own. A special grille that says the Grand Prix is a unique new kind of car. It's luxurious without being stuffed shirt about it. The center console has a spacious compartment. Slip it in gear and take off. The Grand Prix is nimble and quick, poised on Pontiac's famous wide-track wheels. It handles as only a Pontiac can. The new Grand Prix, only Pontiac could have built it. Only you could enjoy it so much. GP, the Grand Prix by Pontiac.
I'm Chris Meyer. Join me and the Legendary Customs team as we take ordinary rides and craft them into legendary customs.
Hey everybody, Chris with Legendary Customs based out of La Crosse, Wisconsin. What you are about to see is our series on a 1962 Pontiac Grand Prix. Lynn and his wife have always had a dream to own a 1962 Pontiac Grand Prix, and that dream has finally come true. They were able to find a car that they liked right here in La Crosse, Wisconsin. They brought it to us to make it into a show car. So they're going to enjoy going from show to show, and they are going to enjoy doing some old-fashioned cruising. So they wanted the vehicle to be nice and mechanically sound, go as it should, stop as it should. We went through the whole vehicle mechanicals. After we had it in here for a bit, we did change directions and we did put on an entirely new paint job. The paint on this beautiful car is called Legendary Gold Blood. It is just an awesome candy cherry. Some people would call it a deep, deep color with some beautiful gold undertones. Now, if you're liking what you see as you're watching along, comment down below. We read each and every comment and we answer them as they come through. So it is appreciated. When you're watching the video, keep in mind the 1962 Pontiac Grand Prix, in many people's eyes, was the very first muscle car on the planet. They came with a big block, beautiful car, set up to race. In fact, they had the HD series, and many of those cars went straight from the showroom to the racetrack. Tag along, watch the episode, watch the transformation of Lynn and his wife's vehicle. It is wonderful. It is a beautiful vehicle. If you like what you see, subscribe to our YouTube channel and you will see more and more episodes on different vehicles that we build here. Thank you for joining us. Here comes the 1962 Pontiac Grand Prix transformation. Enjoy. We're here at Onalaska Body Shop Supply looking for paint colors to see if we can find something that's a nice, deep, dark candy apple red. The 62 Pontiac Grand Prix has just been thrown. That's not really a curveball. It's a whole new ball game. We're doing a color change on it now versus the original color. So we're doing jams, trunk, everything in a nice, deep, dark candy apple red. So it's going to turn out awesome, no doubt about it. But I want to make sure we can do this paint color accurate for him. He wanted something a little darker than the candy apple. We're going to see if there's one available. Onto the inside, let's see what we can find. Purple.
Both of those are straight base clear.
Yes.
937,096. That one is base clear. So, you've got some options.
These have more life in them.
Those two bones.
So here's the question. This obviously has metallics and pearls in it.
I would assume.
Can we add more than what's in here?
Sure. Let's take a look at one of those formulas and just get an idea.
All right, we have a paint color. Now we're gonna go lay it down, clear coat it, see what it looks like. This is a process that is not easy in any way because the color is probably one of the most important things on a car. Here we go. We have the color all mixed up. Now we're going to spray it on 3, maybe 4 coats depending on coverage, and then clear coat. Let's see what it turns out to be. Maybe 3 more to go. Supposed to be a deep, dark, black cherry. Hopefully we'll get there. Second coat done, 1 more. It's covering really good. Not as alive as I want it to be, but now we have light on it. Behind me is a 1962 Pontiac Grand Prix. It was started out as a relatively simple project, and as you can see, it has went in a totally different direction, which is great. It's going to be a full color change, and we're going to do a black cherry. This is a maroon black cherry. A lot of people call it deep black cherry. And then this is a more of a red black cherry. Going to take them over to the owner of the vehicle, see which one he likes the best. Hopefully he will like one of them, sign off on it, and then very little more work needs to be done on this. We've been sanding on it, making sure the body is straight, took care of some rust issues, all going in the right direction. It'll be ready for paint very soon. We'll hit it with a sealer, hit it with the black cherry, get it on the road. We appreciate you joining us here at Legendary Customs. Remember, like us on Instagram, follow us on Facebook, and if you like our videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. We appreciate it when you do that. Share the videos if you like them, and down below, give us a comment. Each one is read, each one is answered. We appreciate you. Thanks for joining us. Until the next episode, we'll see you then.